Hello guys, I have a question. So I own a 2015 Ford Escape. And I've been having problems with my radio. So for example, go ahead and turn it on, get rid of the dinging sound. There's no sound coming out of it at all. If I go to my the radio here, I'm clicking the frequency to see if it'll change. Nothing changes. I go to the menu, click on radio, go to FM, because it's stuck on AM now. After I disconnected my battery and let that sit for about 20 minutes before I reconnected it, nothing. I went through the fuses, put brand new ones in, nothing. I turned everything off, opened my door for 10-15 seconds, turn it back on, and still nothing. So I don't understand why there's no sound. When it started happening, it made like a poof sound really loud, and then it shut off, and then I was like, what the hell? So then I went to the store, turned off my car, went in the store, came back out, turned the car back on, and the radio started working again. So like I said, it went back to AM, and then as I was driving one time, it did a poof sound again. And then it just completely shut off for, I don't know, probably about a good 2 weeks. And then all of a sudden I was driving and then it went poof. And then the radio came on. And then it lasted about another day and then it turned back off. And now it's been like 3 months since it's did anything. So, like I said, I can't even, if I go to media, I got a CD player or CD in. Like I said, it'll play the CD. But nothing is playing. And no, I'm not a Jessica Simpson's fan. That's my girlfriend, but I don't understand what's happening. If anybody has any suggestions or knows of another answer other than the things that I've already tried, please feel free to comment. Let me know what you think. Again, it's a 2015 2015 Ford Escape. And there's no sound. Like I said, the frequency won't change. It's just kind of stuck on the radio menu for some reason. Or not stuck there, but for the changer anyways. It won't let me change any of the frequencies. The FM, it only sticks on AM. It doesn't, like I said, I'll play a CD, but there's no sound. I can hook up my USB, it'll play that, but there's no sound. And then obviously my Bluetooth, it'll connect, but again, I can't hear nothing, so there's no sound. Even if I try using the thing there or whatever. So like I said, everything will work except for the sound, and obviously it won't change the frequency for the radio though. So I am baffled. And I even did a reset through the menu on the actual car or the settings anyways. When I went through that, let's see, where was that? It's somewhere on here. I think it's through the sync. Oop, no, that's phone. Don't want to do that. But anyways, yeah, I tried that too and nothing happened. So I don't know, guys. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to let me know. Hopefully somebody's got an answer, because this is I'm kind of annoying on long trips too when I ain't got a radio. So thanks, guys.